We're here at Mazda Makati right now, and today we just launched the new variants of the Mazda 6. We have the new Mazda 6 Sports Wagon. The wagon has been always successful in the Mazda 6 lineup, and today we've actually launched it with the new exterior and interior features. What's even more exciting is we have also launched the new Mazda 6 2.5-liter turbo gasoline engine. Imagine this is actually the same engine and same power and torque of the CX-9, and now we're putting it on the Mazda 6. Imagine how exciting that would be. We're gonna have 3 variants of the Mazda 6. We're still gonna continue with the 2.2-liter Skyactiv diesel turbo, which is priced at 2.25 million. And then now we have the new Mazda 6 Sports Wagon with the 2.5-liter Skyactiv gasoline engine, which is also priced at 1.995 million. And finally, the most exciting part is the 2.5-liter turbo gasoline sedan variant, which is also priced at 2.25 million.
So right now we are bringing in the MX-5 30th Anniversary Edition in the RF configuration, meaning it's a retractable fastback. We have automatic and manual transmissions, of course. And the engine underneath is the 2019 specs, 184 PS and at 7,500 RPM. So that's going to give you a lot of oomph on the straights and on the corners. And for the manuals, we also have built-in shocks, just to make sure that the sporty nature of the car is still intact. Inside, we have the Recaro sport seats with the orange piping, we've got ultra suede interiors, and of course, who can forget the striking color, the racing orange, that's exclusive for the 30th Anniversary Edition. So this is the 2016 World Car of the Year and World Car Design of the Year winner, and we're very proud to bring this and offer this to the Philippine public.
So today, we had the Mazda 6. We also just revealed the MX-5 30th Anniversary. These are just appetizers for what's to come for Mazda. I think everyone's waiting for new products. There's been a lot of noise already globally of the new products that Mazda's gonna give. I'm not gonna emphasize more of that as of now, but please do expect that in the next 6 to 10 months, more new Mazda models are gonna come out. So we'd like to invite everyone to come to any of our 21 dealerships nationwide and to see the new Mazda 6 in either the diesel, sport wagon, or turbo gasoline variant. They're available starting July 4th. And of course, we can also arrange for test drive, especially for you.
Tonight we are here at Rockwell the 5th, perfect venue to launch the first ever BMW X7. This is the first ever BMW X7. It's available in X-Drive 30D Pure Excellence trim. We only have one variant. It comes already fully loaded with all the features that make it a true top-of-the-line sport activity vehicle.
Building on the iconic design of BMW, the first ever X7 makes a statement, definitely with its imposing twin-seating grille and its chiseled proportions. Its design echoes those who long for superior space and luxury without compromising the latest in safety and technology. The first X7 comes comprehensively equipped with a highly efficient 3-liter 6-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine that will accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 7 seconds. It rides on the adaptive 4-wheel air suspension that allows for utmost comfort in Manila's most challenging roads, while also retaining famous driving dynamics that bring you sheer driving pleasure. When you get inside, you're greeted with the most spacious vehicle in our product portfolio. combining the best materials such as premium leather. We also have glass elements, and on top of you, a panorama sunroof with skyline. With this car, we also have Apple CarPlay. This also has the latest iDrive interface. And with this car, we also have a 16-speaker, 460-watt carbon carbon sound system. The X7 will come standard with a 5-year, 200,000-kilometer bumper-to-bumper manufacturer warranty. All this for a car that is priced at $9,290,000. 9.29 may sound like a big figure at first, but taking a look at the equipment that comes with the car, comparing it to the rivals, I think we now have a very attractive proposition for our buyers.
Target market of this is those who simply want an ultra-luxury sport activity vehicle. They need the space of a large luxury car, but they also want the versatility, the height, and the added ground clearance that a sport activity vehicle brings.
We're now here at SMOA SMX Convention Center for the folding of the 3-day Philippine Truck and Bus Show. We're very happy to participate in this event because this is one of the biggest and the best and the brightest when it comes to commercial vehicle exhibition. Today we are already seeing a lot of participants coming from manufacturing, construction, and transportation cooperative looking at many of the commercial vehicle display. As Isuzu, we're very proud to display our light-duty vehicle like the N-Series. At my back is the second generation NLR77 PUV. The particular body was made by Santa Rosa and the air conditioning was provided by Denso. This is one of the 3 vehicles that we will soon be launching in the Philippines. We also have a body made by Centro and another body made by Almazora, all using the brand new Isuzu NLR77 platform.
The highlight of our display is our modern PUV that is designed to meet the Philippine national standard under the government PUV modernization program. The new Isuzu PUV is now mounted on our NLR77 light truck platform with rear body designed and manufactured by the country's leading body builders. Also on display is our NLR85 refrigerator van, which to our date saw 15% increase in demand compared to the same period last year. To all the televiewers, especially transport cooperative, we invite you to please visit any of Isuzu dealerships in nationwide and inquire about our latest Isuzu PUV and truck lineup and discover more about the Isuzu advantage. Thank you very much.
Well, in 1919, Walter Owen, better known as W.O. Bentley, created a company with a simple objective: to build a fast car, a good car, and the best in its class. This guiding principle has driven Bentley ever since, pushing forward and making it the leader in automotive industry around the world. In 2013, our chairman, Mr. Robert Cuyuto Jr., brought in the brand, and just like Mr. W.O. Bentley, Mr. Cuyuto, or Sir Robert, really has an in-depth passion with cars. Amongst the industry, We are very proud to work with him since Sir Robert knows cars, understands cars, and owns these extraordinary Bentley cars. We don't just sell cars, we sell extraordinary cars. There are a lot of sedans, SUVs, and GTs in the market, but they are not extraordinary. Upon entering our Bentley luxury showroom, you'll be able to see our hospitality area, where you can be able to buy our luxury apparel and other Bentley accessories. Alongside with that, you'll be able to see our personalization area, where you can bespoke your own Bentley, alongside with paint pebbles, and be able to touch and feel the leather swatches. In the rear of the showroom, you'll be able to appreciate the Bentley bar that we have in store for you. So while you purchase your car or want to configure your own car, you can have a drink at the same time. Right now, we are offering the Continental GT W12 alongside with the Bentayga V8, which is our SUV. So this is the exclusive preview of the centenary edition of the Continental GT. You'll be greeted by the welcome lights, which shows you the gold B and the tread plates with 1919-2019. The all-new Continental GT is equipped with the newest technology, which is the Bentley rotating display. When you start it, it starts to turn and brings you the 12.3 touchscreen. When you press the button, it will now bring you to its analog gauges, where you can see the outside temperature, you have your compass, and your lap timer. Here on the side, you'll be able to see the diamond quilting that we've added on this option. It is 712 stitches per diamond. On top of that, you'll be able to see the mood lighting on the bottom of the veneer. Here on the bottom, you'll see the illuminated tread plates that show the 1919 to 2019 Centenary Edition. We've equipped the Continental GT with name premium surround sound, which is powered by 2,200 watts, 18 speakers, and 2 active subwoofers underneath the chair. All Continental GTs available in the Philippines are equipped with this cut crystal design headlight, which is empowered by 82 individual LEDs. We have the 22-inch Mulliner driving specification, black and hand-polished alloy wheel. The Bentley Continental GT W12 is a 6-liter, 12-cylinder, twin-turbo engine which produces 635 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque. The new Continental GT also has the bright chrome matrix grille, and on top of that, the Centenary Gold badge on top of the hood. For the rear taillight, we have the cut crystal design silhouetting the headlight. Here on the side, you'll be able to see the gills with the number 12 on the side, which hints the cylinders of the engine. The Bentley brand is suitable here for the Philippines because we cater to not just performance and not just luxury. It is a perfect formula for performance and luxury, and that suits the Filipino lifestyle. You would like to invite all of you to experience the luxury showroom here in Bentley Center, 28th Street, corner 11th Avenue here in BGC. Thank you.